Today's video is mostly focusing on how to hide the lace without any foundation or any lace tint. Try out two methods in today's video. One is very simple for the beginner, and the second method will be a little bit more advanced. So today's wig comes from MyFirstWig. This is their silky, soft, and smooth 16-inch wig. Take a little bit of edges, bare minimum of them, not too much. Now, as you can see, when you pull it down, it does hide the lace. And I'm gonna take my razor and cut them super short. Then I'm gonna take my edge brush and we're gonna just brush them down and then back into the hair a bit. That's it for this method. You can just tie it down. It's not giving baby hairs at all. It's just giving, my edges are just laying. So the first step is you get some Elmer's glue. Make sure your wig is where you want it to be positioned. Put some on the back of our hand, and you wanna let this dry, of course. We're gonna let this dry. And then we're going to mix our foundation inside. The method here is going to take the form of your actual skin. So now you have like this strip and you want to place it on the lace like this. You want to get you a cup of water and a makeup brush. Dip in there, just dab and blend. Like, I like this idea and I feel like it can be perfected to work very, very well. Can't even see the edge of that lace anymore.